Okay, students, am I audible? Okay, so the first question of today's session is, that is, welcome you all for the Sankalp classes, K-12 CVT. Today's topic is again, it is an integral. So welcome you all for the session, and we'll start with the first question, that is of today's session, that is integral of e raised to sin x into sin x plus 1 by sec x dx. What is the solution for this? What is the answer for this? And the four options are given, and you need to get a one as an option. So first one, it is e raised to sin x plus c, e raised to sin x cos x plus c, e raised to sin x plus c, and e raised to sin x plus 1 plus c. So these are the four options are there. Just try to identify the answer. Now, as we know that it is 1 by sec x, just try to identify with the shortcut. So it is sin x plus 1 by sec x, in the sense, if you just sec x position is what? It is 1 by sec x. Okay. So 1 by sec x, you know that it is nothing but cos x. Cos x. So this integration can be rewritten as, that is e raised to sin x, e raised to sin x, e raised to sin x into bracket sin x plus 1 into cos x. So cos x dx. Cos x dx. So now, if you try to understand this, it is when we integrate with respect to e raised to sin x and sin x plus 1 and 1 upon sec x is a cos x, you will get the solution as e raised to sin x, and sin x is cos x into sin x plus 1 into cos x, sorry, it is not a bracket, into cos x dx. So on solving this with respect to the pattern of recognition of the integration, so we can get d by dx of e raised to gx. If you treat sin x as g of x and function of this as f of x, this whole function, if you treat it as f of x, by partial, that is by integration by parts, we are going to get the next solution as d by dx of e raised to g of x into f of x is equals to e raised to g of x into g of x can be written as g dash of x integrating into f of x plus f dash of x. So on comparing this with our general integration, what we are going to get, that is integration of I is equals to, that is e raised to sin x and into cos x into bracket cos x into sin x plus cos x dx, cos x of dx. So as we know that it is a g of x is a sin x and g dash of x is a cos x. So on integrating this, we are going to get I is equals, that is I is equals to e of integration of e raised to g of x, because sin x, and this whole function as f of x plus c. So where the option A is the right answer. Just note it down for 1 minute. Next one is about question number 15. I'll erase this all things. Question number 15. Question number 15. It shows as it is on the screen. Integration of -2 to 2 of mod of x cos pi x dx. What is the value of this? Again, 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds time for you. If you have got any answer, you can chat in the chat box. Otherwise, I will try to solve. If you have this answer, you can chat it. Do it fast. It is clearly giving that -2 to the limit size is -2 to 2 and mod of cos of pi x pi x x cos pi x. Okay, shall we start? Okay, now students try to understand this is it is if you treat of f of x as this complete function f of x is equals to mod of x cos pi x, and since we know that cos of minus theta is equals to cos theta, it is not minus cos theta, it is cos of minus theta is cos theta. So f of minus x is minus x into cos of pi x, because f of minus x is for minus it will take the x but not for the cos. So but this whole operation is minus mod of a is what? It is a. Minus mod of a is a, or you can take it as minus mod a. So if you can say that f of x function is even. If you try to resolve this, you come to know that f of a function is, it is even function. So -2 to 2. Okay, -2 to 2 can be written as 2 into 0 to a, that is f of x dx. Then for 0, the condition will rise here, that is 0 is less than x and which is less than half, which is lie between cos of pi of x, cos of pi of x, it is greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0, this interval will cause. So by integrating this, we'll get, that is 2 into bracket integration of 0 to half x cos of pi x dx plus 0 half to, because 0 to half, next half to 3 by 2, that is 1 and half, minus x into cos of pi x then dx plus, it is next is again this limit, we need to take this limit 3 by 2 to 2, that is half to next half, that is 2, that is x cos of pi x dx. So on solving this, we are going to get, that is if you treat in the u form, that is u is equals to x, du is equals to cos of x, cos of pi x dx, then dv is equals to dx, where v is equals to half, that is pi, half into 1 by pi, that is 1 by pi sine of pi x dx. So after resolving this, we are going to get that is f of, just a minute students. Okay, so this is f of, because of the operation is from -2 to +2, -2 to +2, it will gives f of 2 is equals to 2 pi pi into sine of 2 pi plus 1 by pi square into cos of 2 pi, which can be given as 1 by sine of 2 pi is 0, 180 degree. That is, then it is 1 by pi square into 1, which is equals to 1 by pi square. So substituting method, we can, after substituting f of 2 as 1 by pi square, so I is equals to 2 into 2 upon 1 by 2 pi minus 2 into minus 3 by 2 pi minus 1 by pi square plus 1 by pi square. So minus 1 by pi square plus 1 by pi square will get cancelled. After resolving this, we are going to get, that is 2 by 2 into 4 by pi. So finally it is 4 into 2 is 8 by pi. So answer A is the correct answer. So we shall go to the next question. Sixteenth question. A equation of integration from 0 to half dx upon 1 plus x square into root of 1 minus x square. What is the value of this? Again, 10 to 15 seconds I will give you. Just try this. Do it fast. Okay. If you're not getting, I will try to solve here. So it is 0 to pi by 0 to half. And the given equation is d of x upon something it is given. So now we want to eliminate, because of the root it is considering is very difficult. To eliminate root, we need to find, first consider x, treat it as x is equals to, treat it as x is equals to sin x, which implies if x is sin x, then dx will be cos x. Okay, x is sin x in the sense that is differentiation of sin x is cos x, and try to solve with the root of problem, that is 1 minus x square can be written as 1 minus sin square, it is cos square, so that is cos theta. So now 1 plus x square, it is sin square theta. So when we solve this, it is I is equals to, that is, here it is dx is there. Dx means what? It is cos x. So which means I will be considered here as cos theta. Try to solve as much as in a simplest form and try to go with the shortcut tricks. So dx, no need to write one more time the equation. You can find it out with the dx. Here only you can substitute cos theta, that is d theta. Then root of 1 minus x square can be written as cos theta. So rest all is same. 1 plus x square is what? It is sin square theta. So it is 1 plus sin square theta is, that is 1 and 1 into sin square theta. Because cos theta will get cancelled, so that is left with sin square theta. Now it is using this method, we can go with the next step, that is 1 upon, same dx is 1 upon 1 plus sine square theta, which is equals to 1 upon cos square theta, the whole upon 1 plus sine square theta by cos square theta. So one, the denominator of the denominator will go to the numerator, as you know that it is will become the sec square theta by 1 plus 2 tan square theta. So 1 plus 2 tan square theta, you treat it u is equals to tan theta. U is equals to tan theta. If you treat u is equals to tan theta, then du will become, it is sec square theta d theta. Du is equals to sec square theta d theta. Now, next step is I is equals to du upon 1 plus 2u square. So, which gives integration of 1 by 1 plus root 2 u square, u the whole square. So using the formula, we can get that is 1 upon tan inverse of y by a plus c. That after solving this, we are going to get the answer in the form of, that is I is equals to 1 by root 2. As I said that it is a into tan inverse of root 2 upon, just a minute students, root 2 into 1 by root 3 minus a tan inverse of root 2 into 0. Root 2 into 0 is 0. So anything with a 0 is 0. So it is 1 by root 2 into a into tan inverse of root 2 into 1, that is 2 root 2 by root 3. Then tan inverse minus a into tan inverse of 0, because 2 root into 0 is 0. So finally I is equals to, integration is equal to 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of, it is for whole thing it will become 0 naturally, and this is comes under the common rule, 2 root 3. So 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of root 2 by 3. It is option A is the correct one. So option A is the right one. Just mark it down and just copy this and this one is problem. We go to the next question. Question number 18. Try to solve this. 8 integration of 8 raised to 1 plus x plus 4 raised to 1 minus x by 2 raised to x dx. Find the answer of this. 4 options are given. What is the value of this? 1 minute time again. After that, I will start solving this. If we start with this, that here okay, so here you can get the solution by, you can treat it as using the formula, that is a raised to m plus n, and which is treated as a raised to mn. So m minus n as m into minus n. Okay, so thus using that condition, you can try to follow basic using the laws of exponents, that is 8 raised to 1 into 8 raised to x. Treat this, split it. Then 4 raised to 1 into 4 raised to minus x. A raised to m plus n is what? A raised to m into a raised to n. So now upon, it is 2 raised to x. Okay, so now using a raised to x by b raised to x is a by b raised to x. Using that condition, I is equals to integration of 8 into 8 by 2 x plus 4 into 1 by 4 into 2 the whole raised to x, whole raised to x dx. So if you try to resolve this, it will become integration of 8 into 4 raised to x plus 4 into 2, 8. 8 and 4 cancelled, it is 4. That is 4 into 1 by 8 raised to x dx. Okay, so now go to the next step. I is equals to integration of 8 can be written as 2 raised to 3 and 2 raised to 2 the whole raised to x. That is 2x can be written as 2 raised to 2 whole raised to x. That is then 2 square and into 8 can be written as 2 raised to 3 when it is taken to the numerator, 2 raised to minus 3 the whole raised to x dx. Now I is equals to integration of 2 raised to 3 into 2x plus 2 into 2 minus 3x dx. So using the integration condition, that is a raised to kx dx is a raised to kx by k raised to integration of a plus c. Using that condition, I is equals to 2 plus k raised to x, that is a raised to kx, that is 2 raised to 3 plus 2x by 2 into integration of 2, then plus 2 raised to 2 minus 3x by minus 3 into integration of 2 plus c. Rearranging the given options will come to know this. What is that? Rearranging the given options. What is the rearranging integration? That is 2 raised to 2x plus 3. Instead of 3 plus 2x, I wrote 2 plus 2x plus 3 by 2 into integration of 2 is log of 2 minus 2 raised to 2 minus 3x by 3 log 2 plus c. So option B is the correct answer. In short, we have to solve like this. Next, go to the next question. Question number 19. Now here it is. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . integration of 2x plus x 2 plus x square by x square plus, into bracket 2 plus x plus 2x minus 1 by x plus 1 the whole square the whole dx. What will be the answer for this? No. Again, 10 seconds of time for you, then I will solve. If you have the answer, just chat it. So now, so here I is equals to, try to solve this, I is equals to, using, already we know that 1 by sec x. Okay, so 1 by sec x, so it is not a sec, it is, sorry, 1 minute, student, something is a mistake. So it is integration of integration of 2 plus x plus, sorry, is not getting so correct answer, because 2 plus x square, if you take it with the quadratic equation, it will become 2x square. So it is no, wait, so just wait for this example, put it star for this. Tomorrow in the next session we are going to solve this, and we'll go to the next question. It is for something is not so clear question. It is question number, next one, it is 20. Okay. Okay, students. Now try to solve this. Evaluate sine 2x upon sine x, sine of, that is x minus pi by 3, sine of x plus pi by 3. Try to solve this. Again, 1 minute time for you. Then I will try to solve this. So the options are given here. Log of sine of x. So now you just treat this as A and sin A and sin B formula. What is sin A and sin B formula? It is half of cos of A minus B minus cos of a plus b. So using that condition, we can solve this. So integration of sine of 2x upon minus 1 by 4. Why it is 1 by 4? It is half final formula 1 plus 2 cos 2x dx. So using this condition, minus 4 of integration of sine of 2x upon sine 1 plus 2 cos 2x dx. So using UV condition, u is equals to 1 plus 2 cos 2x, where du is equals to 0 plus 2 of cos x will become minus sine x. Sine x in the sense it is minus sine 2x into d by dx of 2x. Now solving this, solving this, I is equals to 1 by integration of minus 4 minus 4 sine of 2x 1 plus 2 cos of 2x dx. So which is I is equals to 1 by u du, because u condition you know this. So I is equals to log of mod of integration of 1 by u log of mod of u plus constant c. So using the given condition, the most nearable answer, what is u? That is nothing but log of 1 plus 2 cos x plus c. So it is mod of log of mod 1 plus 2 cos 2x plus c it is. So verifying this condition, we can get that none of the value is satisfying, because log of 1 plus 2 cos of 2x plus c. Here all answers are with related to the sign. So option D is the correct answer, that is none of this. Don't go for the entire solution. As soon as you got the log of the mod of 1 plus 2 cos, all the options are with a sign. So no need to go for the next section. Just solve it as none of this. Go to the next question. Okay, this is an important question. Just try to solve this. Again, 1 minute time for you students. Evaluate integration of 2 raised to 2 raised to 2x, 2 raised to 2 raised to x, 2 raised to 2 raised to x, 2 raised to x dx. Again, 1 minute time for you. Try to get the answers for this. Only 1 minute, or you can just take 30 seconds also. It is a direct problem. This is the important here. So we can comparing this with a raised to u into integration of a du by dx. Using this condition, you can check it out. First, try to get the derivatives of 2 raised to x. First, here you can take it as 2 raised to x or 2 raised to 2 raised to x and 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 raised to x. So that way you can go with that. So that is step by step d by dx of 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 raised to x. If you try to solve this, it will become 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 raised to x into integration of 2 into d by dx of 2 raised to 2 raised to x. Then with when you want to derive the second derivative with respect to 2 raised to x, then d by dx of 2 raised to x, it will become 2 raised to x into integration of 2 into d by dx of x into 2 raised to x, which is equals to 2 raised to x integration of 2. Using this all the derivatives in the single condition, that is du by dx is equals to 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 raised to x into 2 raised to 2 raised to x into 2 raised to x into dx can be written as integration of 2 raised to 3. Then using this condition, try to get the answer with the shortcut method, that is I is equals to 1 upon integration of 2 raised to 3 into integration of 2 raised to u du. Then, so integral of a raised to u is what? Integral of a raised to u is, all of you know that it is a raised to u upon integration of 2 plus constant. So using this condition, I is equals to 1 upon integration of 2 raised to 4 or integral of 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 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 x 4 times. Oh, sorry, it is 3 times because only it is 1, 2, 3 times it is plus c if you calculate. Still the answer is not of any option here it is. So 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 raised to x 3 times. So once we cancel with this, that integration of 2 is 2. So 1 2 is got cancelled. It's 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 raised to x. So here it is log of, that is log of, after cancel after, don't try to cancel, it is integration. You can calculate this 1 by log of 2 the whole raised to 3 into 2 raised to 2 raised to 2 raised to x plus c after integrating this. So probably most nearest answer is, that is option B is the correct one. So now next one, question number 22 is almost same as previous question. Last question 23 is all of the same kind of the question it is. Then we'll jump to the different level questions. Yes, try to solve this. Integration of 1 minus cos x upon cos x into 1 plus cos x dx. What is the value of this? The option A is log of mod of sec x plus tan x minus 2 tan of tan pi x by 2 plus c. Option B is, it is bit misprinted, it is, means the option numbers are changing. The log of sec x plus tan x, log of mod of sec x plus tan x plus 2 tan of tan x by 2 plus c. Option C is this one. This is the option C. Log of mod of sec x minus tan x minus 2 tan of tan x by 2 plus c, and option D is here, it is none. Okay, it's not correct one, means it is none option is present. Don't misunderstand that it is the correct option. It's for understanding. Option D is present here. Okay, try to solve this. So which option will be correct? 1 minute, I have to think this. Okay, meanwhile you try this. So it can be resolved by all of you know that it is 1 plus cos x of minus cos x is 1, because cos x and cos x will get cancelled. It will be 1. And 1 minus cos x, you can simply split it and write it as 1 upon this, 1 upon this whole answer, and this with this, and minus cos x with this complete. That can be split. 1 by cos x of 1 plus cos x minus cos x upon cos x of 1 plus cos x. That is the splitted. And try to resolve this. On resolving this, we are going to get, that is cos x upon cos x plus 1 plus cos x, which is equals to 1 upon cos x plus 1 plus cos x. This is on transferring cos to the upper of that equal sign, on transferring this. So now we are going to get next, that is I is equals to integration of the same, integration of 1 upon cos x plus 1 plus cos x minus 1 upon 1 plus cos x. You may ask that how it is 1 upon 1 plus cos x. Cos x and cos x got cancelled. It is left with this. And it is with covering of dx. So on solving this, I is equals to, integration is equals to, yes, I is equals to integration of 1 upon cos x minus 1 upon 1 plus cos x minus 1 upon 1 plus cos x dx. So where I is equals to integration of 1 upon cos x minus 2 upon, because 1 plus 1 is 2 upon 1 plus cos x, and it is dx. Now I is equals to it is 1 upon cos x is sec x dx minus 2 into integration of 1 upon 1 plus cos x dx. So by solving this, it is in short half of sec x square, because 1 upon cos x is sec, and with sec x square, that is sec square x into x by 2 dx, which is equals to 1 by 2 into tan of x by 2 upon tan of x by 2 upon half, because it is 2 cos square x by 2 become half. So which is equals to tan of x by 2. So on solving this tan of x by 2, I is equals to, just 1 minute, so erase this. So on solving this, integration of I is equals to tan x 1 by 2 can be written as, sorry, 1 by 2 can be written as log of mod of sec x plus tan x by 2 1 by 2. So it is tan x, because 2 and got cancelled, it is only left with x, mod of minus 2 into 2 into tan of x by 2 plus c. So where log of sec x plus tan x into mod minus 2 tan 2 tan x by 2 plus c. So option A is the correct answer for this. So option A. Next one. It is, if the condition is there, it is integration of 3x plus 4 by x cube minus 2x minus 4 dx, which is equals to log mod x minus 2 plus k into log of g of f of x. Then what is the value? It, this question is incomplete. Something it is misprinted, so don't attempt it, because it is. Then the value they should give, it is not given. So we'll go to the next one. Question number 29, you try to solve this. Integration of cos x minus 1 upon sin x plus 1 into e raised to x dx. What is the value of this? Try to solve this. Again, 15 to 20 seconds time for you students. You try to solve this. Cos of x, cos x minus 1 upon sin x plus 1, e raised to x. So it is, rewrite it, just a minute. So now it can be solved by I is equals to integration of e raised to x into cos x, e raised to x into cos x. Just a minute, students. Okay, e raised to x cos x upon, split it, upon sin x plus 1 minus 1 upon same thing, 1 plus sin x or sin x plus 1. Both meanings are same. I wrote purposefully the in a reverse order. Both meanings are same, into dx. So 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x is equals to 2 sin square x by 2, half angle formula. And same 1 plus sin x is, that is cos of x by 2 plus sine of x by 2 square. So using this condition, when we integrate this, that is f of x, treat f of x is equals to d by dx of a upon 1 plus sin x is equal to a into minus 1 upon, that is second one, minus 1 upon 1 plus sine square x, 1 plus sine x the whole square into cos x. So f dash x is equals to what? Minus a upon 1 plus sine square, sorry, sine x the whole square. So using this integrating condition with respect to UV method, what we are going to get, that is f of x. UV method you should know, that is minus sine x into 1 plus sine x minus cos x into cos x upon 1 plus sine x the whole square, sine x the whole square. So after resolving this, f dash x is equals to, f dash x is equals to, that is minus 1 upon 1 plus sine x. So integrating this, we are going to get e raised to x. Here this side I will solve. That is I is equals to, e raised to x into cos x upon 1 plus sin x plus c, so which is e raised to x cos x upon 1 plus sin x plus c. So option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Next question is 30th question. The value of integration of e raised to 2x into 2 sine 3x plus 3 cos 3x dx is what? Just try to solve this using some limited time. Just try to solve this. So now, did you got the answer? So here you can treat that, okay, you can treat this is in the form of, that is e raised to ax, it is generalized form into a of f of x plus f dash of x dx, which can be expressed as, which means above equation is in this form, which can be written as e raised to ax f of x plus c. Using this condition, a into a of f of x is 2 into sine of 3x, which is equals to 2 into sine of 3x. That is f dash x is equals to d by dx of sine of 3x, which is equals to d by dx of sine 3x is how much? It is cos 3x into 3x is 3, which is equals to 3 cos 3x. Applying the general condition formula, that is e raised to x f of x plus c, applying this in this formula, we are going to get directly, that is e raised to 2x into sine of 3x, that is sine 3x plus c. So option A is the correct answer. If you know the some generalized formula, you will come to know very easily. Within 4 to 5 steps, you will get the answer. Okay, students. So I hope you understood many solutions and keep on practicing, which are some are given for the homework, which are same related questions, and you just take the screenshot of that and try to solve. And tomorrow notes we are going to start. It's a very interesting topic, that is application of integrals. That's the real-time examples will come in that. There are very interesting examples we'll solve in the tomorrow session. Till that, keep on practicing. Bye.